That ass.
Hey, you got about 315s in the rear.
This is so stupid.
guess that's where the video ends. I was the one in the E36 sedan with the LTW lightweight wing on the back. But with that being said, guys, I had to take off from the meet. I got a client. I own an enthusiast car dealer. If you guys see this video on YouTube, make sure you guys add, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram as well if you need anything. I just wanted to come out and hit the hills with you guys, go on the cruise, bang the rev limiter a little bit, get a little lost with some of you, but we're out. We're heading back to the office, taking care of a client, and sadly, this is where the video ends. But I had a blast with everyone. If anyone sees me, please add me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later, all right? Peace.